for everything. Don't wanna lose my time or my mind on the grind, but I want a better life for me. I do the things I hate to do, just to try to find my way to you. I see you in my mind all the time, visualize, and I hope that I can make it through. I gotta follow you, I gotta follow you, I gotta follow you. Out of everything that holds me down, I'll scream until I let you down. Ain't nobody gonna stop me now. I gotta find my way to you. Out of everything that holds me down, out of everything that holds me down, out of everything that holds me down, I wanna be a better me. I wrote a song called Destiny. When I'm in pain, don't let them see. Emotion is the enemy, therapeutic chemistry. I strive to be a part of you. I wanna help the world get through. Sometimes I feel so small against it all, don't know what to do. I just dream of ones and twos. I gotta follow you, I gotta follow you, I gotta follow you. Out of everything that holds me down, I'll scream until I let you down. Ain't nobody gonna stop me now. I gotta find my way to you. Out of everything that holds me down, yeah. I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow, call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love, still gonna die for what I love, still gonna try, I won't give up, still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm